Hey guys, we are really excited for today's video. हम उनके बारे में बात करने वाले जो हमारे इंस्पिरेशन हैं. They are in Forbes 30 under 30 most impactful influencer of the year.
Yes, we are talking about the internet sensation Abhiraj and Niyati urf Abhi and Niyu.
कौन नहीं जानता उनको? This couple has started their content creation journey long back and have influenced so many people by well-researched factual data on various topics.
So let me tell you why are we discussing them today. This video is based on an honest feedback for the content creation masterclass course for which both of us had enrolled. So let's get started.
Yes, so my perception towards introduction module in the first module was like के अभी एंड न्यू बहुत टेक्निकल टर्म्स यूज करेंगे, बहुत सारे ऐसे खतरनाक वाले जार्गन्स यूज करेंगे और अपने सब हवा में से जाएगा. बट अंटिल वी रीच द सेकेंड मॉड्यूल हम लोग को पता चला कि दी ओनली थिंग दैट इन ईच एंड एवरी मॉड्यूल दे वर ट्राइंग टू मेंशन अस दैट अच्छा कंटेंट क्रिएट करना इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग.
हम लोग जनरली फनी और इन्फॉर्मेशनल वीडियोस क्रिएट करते हैं बट हमारे वीडियोस आर रियली रॉ. लाइक जो फिनेसिंग चाहिए फॉर अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर इज मिसिंग. It was not known to us. So in this particular class, if we got all the information that we need for our content creation journey, और क्या ही चाहिए लाइफ में यार.
हाँ यार, I can totally agree with you. Like this course was mainly focused for beginners and I agree with that. But अगर आपका already content creation का जर्नी चल रहा है and if you want to boost your visibility, बहुत फाड़ू कोर्स है ये.
Topics like editing tools, gears, background, music, thumbnails, images were covered during the course. They also shared knowledge on monetization on content creation.
मेरे को भी पैसा चाहिए भक्ति. As we are new in creating content, अगर ये कोर्स हमने नहीं लिया होता तो जो माइन्यूट डिटेल्स होती है ना टू क्रिएट द कंटेंट, लाइक हम लोग को बहुत साल लग जाते हैं वो समझने को.
If you guys follow us religiously or even see our videos once in a while, you guys might see a lot of difference in our most recent videos and our older videos. I generally felt that I have a manly voice and I did not like it over camera. But here we are without using any filters. I have started to accept how I sound. This was a big challenge for me, but I was able to overcome this. Thanks Niyu for sharing your experience.
Also lately what we've also started is कि हम लोग ने subtitles ऐड करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है.
The course fees was rupees 2000 only and more than 1000 people had registered for this course. Abhi and Niyu's team had created communities across Facebook, Discord and Telegram. They made sure to answer our questions or queries or doubts, and a big shout out to Manas.
The major takeaway from the course was कि भाई तुम कंटेंट क्रिएट करना स्टार्ट करो, धीरे धीरे इंप्रूव हो सकते हैं और वो बूस्ट होगा.
One major point I want to highlight here is that Abhi and Niyu shared one secret, one lesson and one mistake from their experiences to get this information firsthand, and that too from one of the best in the business really changes your approach in creating content.
देख, what could have been better in the course is कि they would take the questions in the form of Google forms, ठीक है, and then उनके ही टीम वाले they would filter out the questions and then only those would be answered.
हाँ, but Abhi and Niyu and their team made sure to answer all the questions across the groups that they have created across social media platforms.
Right. One more was chat section. It was very annoying during the live sessions and they were continuously spamming. There were a lot of people who would continuously annoy. In first couple of sessions itself, a lot of folks had complained कि भाई इसका कुछ करो. But until the end of the course, कभी कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है.
हाँ, I agree that chat section was a major distraction and annoying. But Viral, I remember तूने भी एक बार बहुत spam किया था ताकि तेरा question answered हो.
Let's move ahead. I really felt कि Abhi is taking over the course. उसका confidence and he has tremendous screen presence. But then slowly we also realized कि Niyu का जो background research होता है for the course or as well as for all the videos, वो बहुत खतरनाक होता है. The assignment that she had tasked out for each and every module was so detailed, so good and really helpful. Proper nerd है यार वो.
हाँ, Niyu अगर बोलना start करे तो she is never out of examples, and the amount of knowledge she has, I think she can continue on any topic forever.
So guys, this is our take on the course. कोई भी कंटेंट क्रिएटर है who has zero to no idea about it, and the next time Abhi and Niyu launches their course, make sure that you enroll to it.
So here we have a big shout out to
अभी एंड न्यू, क्योंकि आपको ये फीडबैक शेयर करने से हमें फर्क पड़ता है।